Hi everyone, Sarah back again today, and I am playing with the adorable Hey Boo kit from Color Rush Studio. I am actually using the sketch today for this layout, and the fact that this paper was in the kit, it just kind of made my background for me easy, like really, really easy. This layout, I think it took me all of 22 minutes to make. Right now I'm roughing up the edges off camera. I apologize about that. I thought I cut it out. But I went ahead and roughed up the edges of this black. I just wanted something to kind of ground my photos. And in the sketch, you can go and check out the Color Rush Facebook page and it'll show you the sketch. It has something behind the photo. There's actually more photos in the sketch. And it uses the cute little spider webs up top. And I decided, hey, I'm going to use them. I'm also using multiple other acrylics from this month's kit. I used the house, the Boo crew on there as well. The spider webs, and I'm going to use some bats and ghosts too. So, like, seriously, this all came together really, really fast. I did, this is like pretty normal for me. When I get a kit, I do a lot of fussy cutting if there's things that can be fussy cut out. And so those two little things that are to the left of the photo, the little bats, I cut those little things out of one of the papers from the kit. And then I'm just kind of picking up things and laying them here and there. I'm going to rough up the edge of this and stick it down here. And I'm going to stick that cute little pumpkin behind it. And now, really, I just have to glue everything down. A little bat. I love these bats and these ghosts. They are adorable. I'm just gluing things down here and there, what I can that is already, just sitting there. And, of course, I had to bump things and mess that one up. But it's okay. It comes together. It's okay. I'm ripping the back off of one of these acrylic pieces. Okay, I thought I was. Oh, yeah, I did the ghost. And then dropped it on my photo. I go off camera and kind of rip it off over the garbage can when I do it. I'm going to grab a piece of 3D foam here and pop this up since that pumpkin is already 3D foam and popped up. It's from the foam sticker sheet that we got. And I'm just adding glue underneath each and every one of these so that they stay down and kind of together so that I don't have to worry about them moving. I went ahead and took the piece of film off the back of that spider web. It's so sparkly and cute and I love it. Let's see, I'm working with the other one to get that back off of there. I am heavy-handed, and so I was really worried that I would actually break it because I broke the house. I think I did that, like, unboxing it, like, before, or it might have been broke when I got it. Either way, it doesn't matter because it still works. So I went ahead and glued this black piece down that is going to, station my photos, give them a little home. I'm going to glue this one flat, and then I'm going to grab some 3D foam from my stash. I'm going to take this piece off the back, and I'll glue this down separately, the house and then the tree with it. So I'm going to glue that over to the side and push it down, and then I'm going to peel that tree, and I will glue it down as well. And the photo will actually come over the top of that a little bit. After I pop it up on some 3D foam. So I'm just taking some scrap pieces, to be honest. It works just fine. It leaves a little area for that part of the tree to go under. And then there is that, and it says trick or treat, just like the one on the bottom says hocus pocus. I'm pulling off the back of Boo Crew. I really love these acrylics. I love the fact that she did the O's as little ghosts. Too cute. Absolutely adorable. I went ahead and stuck that down, and now I'm going to take the pumpkin with the cat and glue it, actually I didn't have to glue it. I just stuck it down. Adding a little more glue here to make sure that these stay. I'm going to flip it over and trim this off the edge there, and I think that finishes this layout for me. I'm making sure that everything's pushed down where I want it, straightening them up a little bit, getting a drink of coffee apparently. I'm sorry about that, but that does finish this layout for me. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out the links below. Come by the Facebook group and everything. We'd love to see your take on the sketch. We'd love to see you interact with us, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.